How to remove date from Squarespace blog post. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove the blog post dates or the release date of the post from the Squarespace editor. We're going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account and visit up our account dashboard. Now what we're going to do is to go to website. That means that we need to select the website that we want to do the process for. And we're going to wait for a few seconds until the editor is going to be loading up just like that. This is the dashboard, so this is the pre-builder. We're going to click on websites, click on pages, and we're going to select blogs. From here, we're going to see that the blogs or the blog posts are going to be having the date that has been published. So this is an example, like this one, that one, and everything. Now, how we can remove these dates? We are going to click on edit on the specific, let's say page, which is going to be this. We can go ahead and head over here, and then we are going to find the different, let's say here, elements that compose this section. So for this date, we're going to try and find if it is going to be removable. So for text, as you can see, read more link, here's title, spacing, etc. Everything is going to be like that. So we are going to exit that, but we are going to click on the parameter or the settings of the post. So we can go ahead and see that the options that will let us see the status, we can go ahead and put it as a draft. This is the first thing that we need to do. And then we can go ahead and see, let's say here, the dates with or within the blog post itself. So we can go ahead and head over the post or the blog like that. Click on edit, click on section, and then we're going to have, as you can see, the date, hide the date, the author name or the category, and just like that. So as you can see, this is it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.